VIN number. Well, I'm not even good at it much. I don't think I'm going to record the whole thing with that, because, you know, I kind of f***ed up at the point. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Well, okay, maybe the end's coming. I'll just keep recording. Fuck it. Gateway's got fixed. Used to be broken. That's all. Everyone, it's your boy EKRBE here. We have a northbound next coming. And then we might also have a shoreline train since the shoreline subdivision got lined with a green. But anyways, here we come. This video recording might get stopped in my damn storage. But enough with the yap yap. Here we go. Here he comes. NS. Mill Street just activated. In case you're going down at Mill Street, he's about to blow for that. And babe, that's not all. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there's a green dot. We might have a shoreline train lined up too. Oh shit, we do! I see the motherfucker! Look! We have a shoreline train lined up! Alright, well, I'm gonna step back one notch because that can literally sneak up. I'm gonna park it right here. NX4518, which is the last unit that passed by. I apologize for bad cameras, but I decided to bring my tripod out. And I'm sorry I had to skip that. I'm back, and here comes CN. Mill Street is activated. Shitty quality. Emmons is about to activate, like right now. Bro, my tripod! Too late now. This is what happens when you rush. But oh well. Dan! 394! St. John just reactivated! I'm gonna try to get the defect detector impossible! I know it's not perfect enough, but it's really fun time! Trying to get the defect detector audio if possible, but it's not guaranteed. I mean, it looks like I already passed Wyandotte, at least in my opinion, but I'll keep recording. Maybe it didn't. Anyways, I don't know if you can see the red dot, but both alternating red dots are St. John Street. Why am I doing this? St. John, and that's still activated. And then, bro, what's my quality doing? Remember, you also can't see it, but I see, and man, it's not, you can't see it, but by human eye, but Dotted Road is also still activated. I'll try to get the defect detector audio if possible. But we also have a chance of something coming on the, upper sub. Not here. Talk about flat rock sub. Holy shit, guys, for all be damned. We have another one coming. I have my scanner on and I'm gonna start early and I already have a tripod set up, so I might be able to catch the defect detector audio if possible. I freed some space, so I should be fine. It's getting close to Mayo Street. Decreasing a little bit of power, I think. I don't know. Mayo Street activated. Emmons is next. Here we go. Emmons just activated, and here comes NS. NS. I'm actually really jammed here, so I haven't really gotten as much action in quite a while. Literally. I'm gonna catch the defect detector audio. FBI? No defect detector audio yet. For some reason. I wasn't quite scheduled. Gee, Matt. Okay, so I'm just extending the video a little bit, but about me having 64 gigabytes, yeah, that's another reason why I have not been uploading frequently. My storage is really ass, and it really just sucks. I'm trying to work on getting a new iPad M4 upgrade though, and I'll get 256 gigabytes if possible, maybe 512. And in fact, I actually had to restart my iPad because it wouldn't export and upload. So, but I will start trying to upload more frequently. I will try, but it's not guaranteed because of my ass storage. But anyway, that's all. Okay, so I'm just gonna extend it here, but about that reason I said in one of the videos I recorded about me only having 64 gigabytes. That's another reason why haven't been uploading frequently. My storage is really ass, and I'm trying to work to get a new iPad upgrade. I'm trying to get an iPad Pro M4, and I will at least have 256 gigabytes of storage if I get the default version, and that should give me a lot more to upload better. But I will try to start uploading more frequently, but at the same time, it cannot be guaranteed for now, because my storage is just really ass. But anyways, that's all.